Sometimes you might run into a different type of a chord that's called a slash chord. A slash chord is when you change the low note that you're playing with your left hand. So it's not going to be the same note as the note that your thumb is playing with your chord hand. Let's take this example here. We're starting with C. Then my chord hand is going to move to a G, but my bass hand is going to go to a B right next door. Now the reason that works is because the bass note I'm playing is a B, and there's a B note in this version of the G chord. So that note is found in the chord, it's just not the root note of the G. Then I'm going to go to A minor, and in this case I'm playing the A root note to match that. Now I'm going to go back to C, but I'm going to use a G bass note. Then I go to F and use the bass note there. Then I'm going back to C, but I'm using an E bass note. And then G. And what that creates is a descending bass line. And whenever you hear that effect in a song where the bass note is just kind of going down like a scale, that means that some of the chords that are put in between the regular chords are going to be those slash chords. And the way you'll see that written on paper, if I go to this G with this B note, you'll see a letter G, tells you which chord you're playing. Then you'll see a slash, and then you'll see a letter B, and that's telling you that the low note that's being played with that chord is a B note. Play me a song, you're the piano man. Play me a song tonight. So that's a good example of that, is Piano Man by Billy Joel.